Serious, I just ended the video. Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Putnam County in southeast New York, eastern Orange County in southeast New York, until noon. At 9:50 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from a thunderstorm over the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until noon for the following counties in New York: Orange and Putnam,